If you love hidden gems and waterfall hikes, then save this video for the next time you're visiting Oahu. This is Lulumahu Waterfall, and it takes 2 hours to complete. This trail is on private property, so you must go online and get a permit. It only costs $2.50. To get to the waterfall, you will go through a bamboo forest, across a stream, and climb a few rocks. This is an easy to moderate hike, but it's notorious for easily getting lost. I recommend downloading the All Trails app to navigate you through your whole trail. We used it and never got lost. So let me know down below, will you do this hike on your next trip to Oahu?